have to help me. Please. Please help me. You have to. Please. You have to. I'll show you why I need help. I got a screwdriver in my arm. Literally. Literally. See? It's in my arm. You have to. Yeah. Really. You have to help me. See? I'm not kidding. Please help me. I'm gonna pull it out. I know you're not supposed to. But I can't hold it in there any longer. Yeah. Oh God! I healed. Thank God. Thanks for helping me. You guys must have fell for that song. Gone. You want to find out how to do this trick? Put this in my arm. You'll have to go to my screwdriver through arm trick video on my channel. It's fun. And you want to do this trick. You want to. If you watch the video, I forgot to mention it that you want to put the screwdriver in your arm before you walk up to someone. And when you walk up to someone, make sure your arm's in a V shape so they don't exactly see the crease on how you did it. But anyway, so how I did it and is on my screwdriver through arm trick revealed. I did the same thing with a nail, but from now on, I'm going to call it the screwdriver through the trick. That's my main one now. The main one was the nail, but now this one, because this one's better, works better. So, we'll learn how to do that. There's a video on my channel called Screwdriver Through Arm Trick Revealed, but there's also one that has me doing it. That has me walk up like it's in my arm before I tell you how to do it. But anyway, Burping 19, so let's continue. Beast! What was the beginning? So I'm going to say something I haven't said for a while. What's up, YouTube? And one more thing to say. What's up, Bibigiro? Bibigiro likes me saying his name while burping, and it's not too hard actually, so I just say it. If any of you want me to burp your name, just say it, as long as it's not a really long name, like, as long as it's not like a long name like son of a bitch. No, that's not even the name. Just joking with you. As long as it's not as long as super SPLagocious or something, because I don't think I can say that. Let's try it. Oh God. Here we go. I can't do it. I can't do it. Sorry, guys. Mountain Dew. If you like my videos, you should start drinking Mountain Dew. I'm sponsoring Mountain Dew now. Mountain Dews not only give you great taste, but it's a great thing to help you. So, drink Mountain Dew. Warning, too much Mountain Dew decreases your sperm count. So if you're planning to have sex and have a baby, do not drink Mountain Dew. Got it? More Mountain Dew. More Mountain Dew. More Mountain Dew. Less spermio. So let's say that in English. More Mountain Dew, less spermio. Enough with sexual body systems. Back to baby. Oh God. I think this helped me actually. So drink more Mountain Dew. But beware. It lowers the I'm not saying anything. So, watch this. I'm just seeing. Yankee Doodle. I'll say it one more time. Guess I'm gonna get a longer breath. That might also help my burping. Though I highly do. Oh God. I think I just got sick in my mouth. Never mind. Don't burp right after you drink this. I'm gonna chug it. I didn't even get a breath before I started. Oh God. Always get a long breath before you start chugging. I'm ready for battle now. I'll be right back. I'll do another burp. After I get back, I'll do another burp. Till by the end of the video. Oh God, that hurt. Oh God, no, no. Oh God, no. Oh God, no. Oh, that's not good. No, not again. Not again. Oh, not again. Not again. Not again. Not again. Not again. Oh God. It happened again. You gotta be kidding me. Oh God. God. No way. Ah. Ah. Ugh. Okay, my goodbye. It's time for my goodbye burp. God, my skin is really irritated. But anyway, if you want to learn how to do that trick, go to my screwdriver through arm trick revealed on my channel. And if you like it, you spread it on to everyone else. And that was my final burp. So, leave comments at the bottom, subscribe. If you're going to go watch that video, also leave comments saying I'm going to watch my video. And I'm pretty sure if you know people who like this sort of stuff, you should share it. Because I'm going to try to make it go viral. Yeah. It'll be a great trick. It might make me really popular too, hopefully. Okay, and if you're new to watching these burping videos, or if you like them, share them with as many friends as you can. So this was Lucas Bentley, and peace out. Goodbye. This was Burping 19, and goodbye, YouTube. Oh, and I forgot to say goodbye to someone else. Bye, baby hero. Peace out. You.